morning, everyone. There's my Morris buddy. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hello. Come on up. Come on up, bud. Come on. Good morning, Morris. Come on. What's going on? You're talking to me? Are you okay? Good morning. You coming up for food? Let's go. Guess not. I don't know. I don't understand. Stripe and Marty or not. There's Marty. Hey, Mart. Come for some breakfast. He comes out in the kitchen in the morning and there's leftover food from the night before and he's been eating it. So I'm not worried about Marty not running over for food, but that's kind of what's going on. Hey, Morris. Well, it's another hot and humid day on the homestead today. I'm going to get out there in a few minutes and mow the grass because we're headed to near 100 again and it needs to be mowed and I'd rather not mow it over the weekend, although the temps will be down a little bit over the weekend. I'm moving pretty good and pretty early this morning, so let's go knock it out. Alright, it's time to get busy with the lawn. It's 9:40, so I am getting out here pretty early. Thank you for rescuing me. That lawnmower without self-propelled is no fun. It's just after 1 and I'm done. I did all of the grass, including the street. And I blew all the way out into the cul-de-sac. I got about 80% of it done before the battery died. I've been through 3 or 4 batteries today. I'm just done. I'm done. Totally and completely done. Hi, Morris. Hi, Marty. Hi. Hi. Hi, Putty. Hi. That's a good boy, Morris. Good boy. Hi. It's like a sauna out here on the asphalt. I'm helping Donnie get his exercise because I've already got 10,000 plus steps today. But I don't want to go tomorrow. I want tomorrow to be free and clear, baby. Yeah, it feels like we're just standing in front of a hair dryer right now. A massive hair dryer. It's a very warm wind. Yeah, Johnny's got a thunderstorm down by him. Penny-sized hail. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. There's a pretty good little thunderstorm rolling past UNC Charlotte right now.
We could end up with something like that. Wind's blowing it.
Yeah, the wind is pretty serious.
Look at this girl. She is charging her phone. She's pedaling and she's plugged in and she's charging her phone.
I'm playing while I bike.
Yeah, she's gonna. So you only have to pedal hard enough to keep your phone awake.
I plugged it in and it didn't come on right away until I started pedaling, and Don informed me that the machine's not plugged in and it is actually on my power. So
yeah. The treadmills actually plug into the wall because there's a big motor in those treadmills. But all these other machines, they're freestanding. They don't plug in. When you pedal, you make a little energy.
Yeah, I still can't keep my phone charged. New battery, no battery, old battery.
Yeah, well, you have to have them plugged in to actually charge.
Yeah, I understand.
No problem. All right. Well, I procrastinated about as much as I possibly can.
Get over there. Get on your machine.
Yeah.
I would have been filming.
Progress robot pulled into the garage, a little crooked because it kind of stayed away from the cabinets and stuff over there because there's nothing on this side.
Yeah, I'm way closer to the wall than you normally park.
Yeah, and it didn't quite pull in far enough.
And Don gave it a little oomph, and in that case, the car said Don took over and kicked him out of FSD.
Right. Yeah, I'm kind of, but we only had like 38 miles of.
Right, this is not the Cybertruck where we're like 35 miles away from 250.
Right, we'll probably, once we get 250, we won't be too concerned, because I don't see me, what's the next one, like
500.
500?
I think it's either 500 or 1,000.
It's going to be hard for me to do
right,
that.
the 250 is
Doable.
good enough.
Yeah,
we're trying.
So anyway, I hope they come out with some kind of guidance. You know, if you park, you put lines taped down on your floor or around your parking place or something.
Well, Elon said it was coming
a
week or so ago.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's just, you know, a matter of time.
Yeah, because, you know, it could use the good old thing on the floor, right? You know, the little T.
Right, the piece of tape.
It could see that and say, no, that's when I stop. Or, you know, if it wants to follow the laser beam, I'll adjust the laser beam to hit the laser beam.
Right, well, the thing of it is the car needs to understand, you know what? If somebody shuts the door where I'm at, the door's going to hit me.
That's right.
And I do have room in front of me, even though it's tight.
Even though it's tight.
Yeah, that kind of thought process needs to be there.
Well, it needs to go into inchy mode. In other words, instead of just stopping and giving up, it needs to stop and then just do this really slow forward. And maybe even put up a little thing, push button when to stop. You know, or something like that. You know.
It'll be interesting how they implement it.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be far better than anything I could concoct with. You know, Elon and his team's really smart. I'll get you some, this is my throat still dry right now.
Yeah, I can hear it.
That sounded like a
That was probably a chicken. It was tan, whatever it was. I'm going to guess. Oh, no, it's the deer.
You go, girl.
Picking back up on step 27. Let's see how far I can get tonight. I didn't get the other parts from EMS bricks today. Hopefully tomorrow. I really think they'll be here tomorrow. Well, tonight I worked on the stair steps. This piece goes over here, but I'm waiting for 2 pieces to come so I can snap it all together. Started on the wall, and here's a bathroom.